What is up, everyone? This is Jared with Breakersville. We are here to do a 2019-2020 Prizm Retail Sealed Box Break number 1 off of eBay. You'll see the team names off on the right-hand side here, but before we get into that, I just want to thank you for jumping in our break tonight. My name is Jared. I live in Wisconsin here. My brother is John. He lives in Minnesota. We both brought this together. We're going to have a lot of fun with it. We've both been in card collecting for over 25 years. We both enjoy it tremendously. We do a lot of local stuff, but now it's time for us to bring it over the internet. So if you haven't seen us before, we've only been on Facebook for the last three or 4 weeks now. So we are new to Facebook. We're new to breaking, but I promise you, if you look at our feedback on eBay, which is over 2,800 positive feedback, no issues, and if you talk to anybody that's done a break with us in this chat, you're going to see that we take care of you guys. So we ship fast. Everything that breaks tonight will ship within 24 hours, and we take care of you, absolutely. So moving right on here, let's jump into the teams right away. So we have Quan with the Hawks, Scott S. with the Celtics, Dylan with the Nets, Jose with the Hornets, Dylan with the Bulls, Jose with the Cavs, Mark with the Mavericks, Jad with the Nuggets, Quan with the Pistons, Jad with the Warriors, Jad with the Clippers, Kurt with the Lakers, Eric with the Grizzlies, William with the Heat, Jared N. with the Bucks, Kurt with the Timberwolves, Joe M. with the Pelicans. Welcome back, Joe. Thanks for jumping back in. Eric F. with the Knicks, Quan L. with the Thunder, Shane B. with the Magic, Eric H. with 76ers, William with the Suns, Brandon with the Blazers, Quan with the Spurs, Eric with the Raptors, and Chris W. with the Wizards. Dylan, I'm actually up right outside of Appleton, right above Lake Winnebago in Sherwood. But anyways, so you can probably tell that there's 4 teams here not paid for, so we are going to jump right in for a randomizer. Whoever's on top after 7 will get those 4 teams. So let me bring it up here. You'll see everybody is in the list from from Quan L all the way down to Chris W, which is Quan has the Hawks, and then Chris W has the Wizards. So whoever's on top after 7 will get those 4 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, Jad S. You take those 4 teams courtesy of us. Thanks for jumping in. 2, 3, and 4. All right, so Jad S. after 7 times, Jad S. on top. Whoops. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, it is time to break. So let's get rock and roll. Let's go Blazers, John. Let's do it. I mean, I don't know if you're actually John, but let's see here. I can probably figure it out. You're probably Brandon, I would imagine, if I got all my ducks in a row. But anyways, here we go with the box. Just to show everyone that it's sealed. Front, side, back, side, top, and bottom. Let's rock and roll. So just so everyone's aware, I will top load and sleeve all of the biggest hits right away. All of the rookies will be top loaded. Everything else, if it's an insert or one of the top players in the league, they will be sleeved. Everything will ship to you very safely, I promise you that. And I will do my best to get everything out to you tomorrow. If not tomorrow, everything will be out on Monday. So we do a fast shipping turnaround. I'm going to do all sorts of break this weekend. So if you didn't have an opportunity to get into this break, but you're just watching, take a look at some of the breaks that we have listed. I just listed another retail break and another cello break of Prizm that will break tomorrow. So there should be 24 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so we got everything here. Let's get going. Let's just start the party already. All right, first pack. All right, we got Jalen Hands for the Brooklyn Nets. Karl Malone. First silver, Isaiah Roby for the Dallas Mavericks. Nice hit for the Mavericks. And then Serge Ibaka. Oops. All right, next pack. We have Thaddeus Young for the Bulls. Nikola the Joker for the Nuggets. Silver of Seth Curry for the Blazers. And PJ Tucker for the Rockets. Number 3. These breaks usually go relatively quick. Tyler Hero, there you go for Miami Heat. And it's a very nicely centered Tyler Hero. Left to right looks great. Top to bottom looks great. Very nice hit for Miami. And let's see who had William Jr. Nice hit on the Tyler Hero. Pop that little bad boy up there right away for you. Danny Green for the Lakers. Silver Emergent KPJ. And Marc Gasol for the Raptors. Next pack. Yeah, not a bad start, Dylan. Not a bad start at all. Trevor Ariza for the Kings. Zach LaVine for the Bulls. We've got a green of Jalen Noel for the Timberwolves. And then Troy Brown Jr. I just love Prizm. I think, obviously, the majority of you guys know that it just holds value more than any other basketball rookie out there right now. So whenever I can get my hands on it at a decent price, I do my best to get it. But that's what it's all about. Chris Middleton is trying to find it at a decent price. Charles Barkley, Larry Bird for the finalists, and Thomas Bryant. I was thinking I maybe came across the autograph right away and I was going to hold it. Next pack. We have Eric Paschall right away on top for the Golden State Warriors. Nice hit, Jad. Dennis Rodman. Hey, there we go. How about a green Emergent Zion? Nice hit for the New Orleans Pelicans, Joe M. That's the second time you've been in our room, and that's the second time you hit a Zion. It's a hell of a hit. Nice hit. Very nice, my friend. Get that one sleeved and top loaded right away for you, as always. Nice Zion to kick us off. That's exactly what we're looking for. We got the Eric Paschall. Then we got the old Lonnie Walker, the 4th. All right, next pack. Dylan, I'm going to find that Kobe, man. Last night I did a, in the Prizm Cello break, I got a Kobe red, white, and blue. And then I also got a Kobe silver. You can take a look at it in our feed. Cody Martin, Terrence Ross, Deontay Murray, and we have a red of Ricky Rubio. I was really hoping we'd see a rookie in that, but it is what it is. Nice hit for the Phoenix Suns and Ricky Rubio, William M. All right, next pack. Wilson Chandler for the Nets, Malik Beasley, and a silver of Kevin Knox II for the Knicks, and John Wall. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen, we do have more of these. I haven't just listed another box. I have a few more boxes of these coming in, so you're going to see them on our eBay auction. But I also just listed a Prizm Cello that will end tomorrow night and break tomorrow night as well. So a lot of stuff breaking this weekend. Anthony Davis for the Lakers, Tobias Harris, Hyped Devin Booker, and Russell Westbrook. So make sure you check out those auctions later. And then, like I said, as we continue to grow this group, we're going to be able to do it right in Facebook and then right on YouTube. But until we get to the point where we can support it and fill the breaks, we're going to have to do it the old-fashioned way and give eBay a cut of their own. Nickeil Alexander-Walker, rookie, Paul Pierce. A green of Kobe Bryant. That's a sweet-looking card for the LA Lakers. Kurt O, nice hit. That's sweet-looking. And it's very nicely centered. Left to right looks very, very good. And then the back looks money. Nice hit. And when you buy the Lakers, you're either trying for Kobe or LeBron. In this, anyways. Let me get the Alexander Walker. Who else is in the chat right now? Looks like there's 15 people in here. Just pop something in the chat. Let me know you're here. I like to chat with you guys. I'd rather talk to you than talk to myself while I do this. So let me know how your day is going, what you're looking for, all that good old jazz. Goga for the Pacers. Torrey Craig, Landry Shamet, and a silver of Willie Cauley-Stein for the Warriors. Robin Lopez, one of the Caveman brothers, Isaiah Thomas, Emergent, Ty Jerome, and Ricky Rubio. Malik Monk, Tristan Thompson, Nasir Little, Instant Impact, and Robert Covington. All right, we're on a little bit of a dry spell here with our hits, so it's time to pick back up. Oh, there we go. How about right on top? How about a really, really nicely centered Zion? Nice hit again for my man, Joe M. Second time in the break, and his third Zion. Take a look at that centering, though. I mean, if you guys know Prizm, you know these things are never centered. It looks great left to right. It's a little bit off top to bottom, but still, nonetheless, great looking card. I mean, when you buy the Pelicans, you hope that you're going to hit. Obviously, we all know how much the Pelicans normally go for in these breaks, so good for Joe. And the rest of that pack, we had Larry Nance Jr. And how about another Zion right behind it, Instant Impact? Because if two Zions wasn't enough, and then Eric Gordon. We'll give him another one. Joe, are you in the room, my man? I'm going to move these over so I can get all the Zions together here. Excuse me. I mean, that's a hell of a Zion break so far. Here comes a Ja. I hope so. Nikola, Larry Johnson, Dominance, Kyle Kuzma, and Kelly Oubre Jr. for the Phoenix Suns. Matisse Thybulle. Dude, let me tell you about Matisse Thybulle. If you guys are in DraftKings or fantasy basketball at all, I hope you did not choose Matisse Thybulle tonight. This dude got me like 1 point in a whole game, which is absolutely crazy. Very upsetting. But nonetheless, a good-looking rookie. Larry Bird, Hassan Whiteside, and a red of Goga for the Indiana Pacers. So when you buy the Pacers, I'm assuming all you're looking for is Goga. Well, you hit a base, and now you hit a red Goga. All right, next pack. Darius Baisley, very nice hit for the OKC Thunder. Nicholas Batum, Steph Curry, that's a sweet silver. Nice hit for the Golden State Warriors and Jad. And then Derek Jones Jr. Nice Baisley rookie. We're still looking for that autograph. It's got to be hiding in here somewhere. Paul Gasol, Bismack Biyombo, Buddy Hield, and a silver of Michael Kidd-Gilchrist for the Hornets. Is that like a, Dylan, is that like a collation thing? That you know a jaw's coming, or you're just calling it? Malcolm Brogdon, Mikal Bridges, Darius Baisley Emergent, nice, and then Evan Fournier. Casey Okpala for the Heat, Gordon Hayward, Russell Westbrook, and Derek Favors. All right, so we're down to 4 packs left. We're still looking for the autograph. My man Dylan. Oh, really? I think there was a. I mean, in theory, it should be. says one autograph and 12 Prizms. So, I mean, unless they cut us short, there definitely should be one. Maybe it's going to be a Jaw autograph. That'd be pretty sweet. Carson Edwards, Tyler Johnson, Drew Holiday, and we have a green of John Wall for the Wizards. Chris W., nice hit on your John Wall. Oh, Carson Edwards, rookie. All right, down to 3 packs. Jarrett Culver, Tim Hardaway Jr., Andre Drummond Dominance, and CJ McCollum. Yeah, that's crazy. I don't know. It says that you should get one, and all the boxes that I've opened in the past have had one, so we're down to 2 packs, though. So let's hope it's going to come true. Daniel Gafford, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Dominance, Trae Young Silver, and then Kyle Lowry. All right, down to our last pack here, guys. So this is a pretty quick break, $9.50. First of all, I just want to thank everybody for jumping in the break. I do have 1 pack left here. But we do have another break coming up right after this if you want to jump in and take a look at it. Other than that, we do have more listed on our eBay page under Breakersville. You can take a look on there. We do have whatever ends tomorrow night will break tomorrow night. So let's go down to the last pack and let's see what we can get here. But again, if you haven't, looks like we do have our autograph on this one. And if you have not liked our Facebook page, if you wouldn't mind taking a moment, liking it, sharing it. If you're part of any Facebook groups, sports cards groups, just let them know. Invite them into our group. We'd absolutely appreciate it. It's going to help us grow as a company, if you will, and then help us get product to you cheaper. So we're going to do Damian Lillard, Terry Rozier, Bogdanovich, and then we're going to slow roll the autograph here. And we got a Malcolm Brogdon for the Pacers. So I was saying that when you buy the Pacers, you're trying to get Goga. But my assumption is this is a little bit better than that Goga rookie. So very nice hit for the Indiana Pacers and Malcolm Brogdon. All right. That Terry Rozier was a red as well. All right, everyone, that was the break. This was 2019-2020 Retail Prizm Box Break. Here are some of the hits that we got in this one. So the autograph was Malcolm Brogdon. Very nice hit for the Pacers. We got a Zion base rookie. We got a green emergent Zion. Just to keep the Zions rolling here. We got a Zion Instant Impact. Tyler Hero rookie we got right off the bat. And then right behind it we have a Kobe green Prizm silver. Sweet looking card. Anyways, everyone, thanks again for jumping in the break. If you want to stick around and watch the next box break, I do have the Dallas Mavericks still available out of the next box. Let me see if the person has paid yet. Does not look like they have paid as of yet. So if you want to, or if you are interested in the Dallas Mavericks, they were bid up to $51 or so. If you want them, I'll give them for $40. So if you are interested, just shoot me a little direct message, and then I will have you send payment in. But other than that, thanks everyone for the break. Thanks for jumping into Breakersville, and we will talk to you all later. Raptors and the 76ers. 76ers and Raptors. What do we got? Spurs, Hawks, Pistons, Thunder. Spurs. Hawks. Pistons. Trailblazers and the Suns. Trailblazers. Cavs and Hornets. Cavs, Hornets, and then Golden State, Nuggets, and Clippers. Golden State. Nuggets, Denver. Nuggets and Golden State, Nuggets, and the Clippers. Magic, Knicks, and Pelicans. Magic. Knicks. We had one card. Pelicans. Bulls, Bucks, Heat. Grizzlies, Lakers, Mavericks. Bulls, Nets, and Celtics. Then who had the Pacers? The Warriors had the rest. Warriors had the rest. Warriors, and who else? Jad and the Warriors. Warriors, Rockets. Warriors, Rockets. Nuggets. rockets. Oh,